Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Robinhood 1099 into TurboTax. So all you have to do is of course head over to Intuit TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from our progress bar, we're just going to click on a random button for us to be redirected to our dashboard. Next, in the left panel, head over and click on Federal, then click on Wages and Income. Next, look for Investments and Savings, then click on the Start button. So you might be asked, did you have investment income in 2024? Pick yes if you do. And from the lists of financial institutions, choose Robinhood. Just enter in the details starting with the 9-digit Robinhood account number and also the 11-digit document ID. Then once done, just head over and click on Get My Form. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!